Today we are reviewing the Cubiker L-shaped desk. Now if you haven't noticed, that is the desk behind me. And we absolutely love these desks. Yes, we have two of them. Now they do have a few colors to choose from, but we were more partial to that rustic brown because we love that natural wood look. Now the desktop is huge. It has plenty of space for your home office or for gaming. And the height of the desk is about 29 inches, 29.3 to be exact. So it's plenty of leg room and plenty of space for storage. Now it does come with a monitor stand, and the monitor stand is actually movable, so it can be installed on each side of the desk or whichever side is best for your setup. Now the frame of the desk is metal, which makes it very sturdy, and they also give you adjustable foot pads to put on each leg so you can ensure that the desk is level on whatever surface that you install it on. And the assembly of the desk was easy. I put it together very fast. I put them both together very fast. So they give you instructions. They also give you a video to walk you through, so the assembly is very easy. And last but not least, let's not forget that they are L-shaped. So see how we have them set up in our office. We have one over here in this corner and one over here in the other corner. We have a printer in the middle, a little shelf in the middle. So it actually works out perfect for an office situation. So you see, having them in both corners, it gives us a lot of space in the room and keeps the room open. So that's one of the reasons why we love this Cubiker L-shaped desk. So once again, this is the Cubiker L-shaped desk. And if you do have one of these, then you understand where we're coming from about how much we love this desk. And if you're looking for an L-shaped desk to, tackle that corner and still give you some space in your office, this is a good one to try out. And if you do try it out and you like it, please let us know. Thanks for watching.